This 2025 Grand Design Reflection 297 RSTS is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Fort Worth, Texas, 76140 and is offered for sale by McClain's RV Fort Worth. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Grand Design is 33 feet 11 inches in length and features Sleep 6, air conditioning, DVD player, carbon monoxide detector, skylight, microwave, TV, slide-out, LP detector, oven, awning, and 54 gallons fresh water capacity. The unloaded weight of this 2025 Grand Design Reflection 297 RSTS is 8,238 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.